Homemade Tunisian lamb couscous biryani, Ramadan special, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Ramadan Mubarak. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade Tunisian lamb couscous biryani, a perfect dish to celebrate the holy month. Not only is it delicious, but it's also affordable and easy to make, perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1, Introduction to the dish. Before we get started, let me give you a brief overview of what Tunisian lamb couscous biryani is. This dish combines the rich flavors of Tunisia with the fragrant spices of biryani, making it a unique and delightful meal. And the best part? You can make it right at home without breaking the bank. Segment 2, Ingredients. Let's go through the ingredients you'll need for our homemade Tunisian lamb couscous biryani. 1. Lamb shoulder, 500 grams, diced. 2. Couscous, 2 cups. 3. Basmati rice, 1 cup. 4. Onion, 2, thinly sliced. 5. Tomatoes, 3, chopped. 6. Carrots, 2, diced. 7. Bell peppers, 1 red, 1 green, diced. 8. Garlic, 4 cloves, minced. 9. Ginger, 1-inch piece, grated. 10. Tunisian spice blend, coriander, cumin, paprika, cinnamon. 11. Biryani spice mix, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves. 12. Yogurt, ½ cup. 13. Olive oil, 3 tablespoons. 14. Ghee, 2 tablespoons. 15. Fresh coriander and mint, for garnish. 16. Salt and pepper to taste. Segment 3, Preparations. Now, let's move on to the preparations. Remember, take your time, and enjoy the cooking process. 1. Marinating the lamb. In a bowl, mix diced lamb with Tunisian spice blend, yogurt, minced garlic, grated ginger, salt, and pepper. Cover and let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. 2. Cooking the rice and couscous. Rinse 1 cup of basmati rice and 2 cups of couscous separately. Cook the rice and couscous according to package instructions. 3. Sautéing vegetables. In a large pan, heat olive oil and ghee. Add thinly sliced onions and cook until golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes, diced carrots, and bell peppers. Cook until the vegetables are tender. 4. Adding spices. Incorporate the biryani spice mix into the vegetable mixture for an aromatic base. 5. Cooking the marinated lamb. Add the marinated lamb to the vegetable mixture. Cook until the lamb is browned on all sides and cooked through. 6. Layering the dish. In a deep dish, layer cooked rice and couscous. 7. Steaming the biryani. Sprinkle some water over the layers to create steam. Now comes the exciting part, the final touches that make our Tunisian lamb couscous biryani extra special. 1. Garnishing. Garnish the biryani with freshly chopped coriander and mint for a burst of freshness. 2. Serve with love. Spoon out generous servings onto a platter, making sure to include layers of rice, couscous, and the flavorful lamb and vegetable mix. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to ensure your homemade Tunisian lamb couscous biryani turns out perfect every time. 1. Perfectly cooked lamb. Marinate the lamb for an extended period for more flavor. Ensure the lamb is browned well to enhance the taste. 2. Layering techniques. Be generous with layers, allowing the flavors to mingle. 3. Spices and seasoning. Adjust spices according to your taste preferences. Don't forget the salt, it brings out the flavors. There you have it, our homemade Tunisian lamb couscous biryani, a delightful Ramadan special that's both affordable and perfect for beginners. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. We hope you enjoy making and sharing this delicious dish with your loved ones. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and leave a comment down below. Ramadan Mubarak, and until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Tunisian lamb couscous biryani lovers.